In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix RTC connecting or no routing error on Discord. So let's get started. So if you have these error here, so what you can do, step one, open up Discord and go to your Discord settings. Okay, so when you're on the Discord settings, scroll down and under app settings, select voice and video, click on it and then select the voice tab here. Make sure the input device and the output device are correct. So make sure you have selected the correct devices. If it's correct, then click on the debugging tab here. Click on it and click reset voice and video settings. Click on it and then hit on OK to confirm and then reset the voice and video settings. That's step one. Step two, what we're going to do, go to your computer and then in the search bar here, search for Task Manager. Open up your Task Manager. Once you open up your Task Manager here, under the Process tab, select Discord. Okay, select Discord and right click on it. Okay, and right click on it and then hit on End Task. Click on End Task. Okay, once that's done, go to these Details tab here. Click on the Details tab here and look for the discord.exe file. Right click on it, hit on End Task as well and close it. Okay, and then step three, what we're going to do, again in the search bar here, search for CMD, okay, which is the command prompt. Search for it and hit on Run as Administrator. Okay, click on it and run it as administrator. And once you are here, what you're going to do, you're going to type in this command here, which is ipconfig config space / flush flush dns. Okay, hit on enter. Once this is done, what are you going to do? Restart your computer and then launch the Discord, and that should fix up the issue.